Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Asset Reconstruction Company Registration. Why asset reconstruction companies? Working of asset reconstruction companies in India. The following chart on your screen describes the working asset reconstruction companies in India. It includes banks, asset reconstruction companies, the borrowers, and the investors. Historical journey of SARFAESI and ARCs in India. In 1997, by Government of India, the problem of recovery from NPAs was recognized. In the Narasimha Committee report, it is mentioned about the important aspect of the continuing reform process was to reduce the high level of NPAs as a means of banking sector reform. It was expected that new NPAs in the future could afford to be lower with the combination of policy and institutional development. ARC's foundational principles, showcasing the flow of work, isolating non-performing loans, freezing the financial system to work on core activities, facilitating development of market for distressed assets. Functions of asset reconstruction companies. Acquisition of financial assets as defined under Section 2L of SARFAESI Act 2002. Change or takeover of management or sale or lease of business of the borrower. Rescheduling of debts and enforcement of security interests as per Section 13(4) of SARFAESI Act 2002. Settlement of dues payable by the borrower. Registration process of asset reconstruction companies. The following chart on your screen describes the process of asset reconstruction companies. Step 1. Obtaining certificate of registration. This is the certificate that you obtained after the registration of your company. Step 2. Having net own fund of not less than 2 crore rupees or such amount not exceeding 15% of total financial assets required or to be acquired by the scrutinization company or reconstruction company, as the Reserve Bank may by notification specify. Step 3. Every securitization company or reconstruction company shall make an application for registration to the Reserve Bank in such form and manner as it may specify. Step 4. Reserve Bank of India may, for the purpose of considering the application for registration of asset reconstruction company, requires to be satisfied by inspection of records or books of such company. Other conditions to be fulfilled for asset reconstruction company to get duly registered. Reconstruction company has not incurred losses in any of 3 preceding financial years. Such reconstruction company has made adequate arrangements for realization of the financial assets acquired for the purpose of asset reconstruction. Directors of the reconstruction company have adequate professional experience in matter related to finance, securitization, and reconstruction. Board of directors of such reconstruction company do not consist more than half of its total number of directors. Any of the directors has not been convicted of any offense involving moral turpitude. Sponsor is not a holding company of the securitization company or reconstruction company or does not otherwise hold any other controlling interest in such securitization company or reconstruction company. Such securitization company or reconstruction company has complied with or is in a position to comply with prudential norms specified by the RBI. The final step. The Reserve Bank of India may, after being satisfied the conditions specified in subsection 3 are fulfilled, grant a certificate of registration to the company to commence or carry on business of the company subject to such conditions which it may consider fit to impose. The Reserve Bank may reject the application made under subsection 2 if it is satisfied that the conditions specified in subsection 3 are not fulfilled, provided that before rejecting the application, the applicant shall be given a reasonable opportunity of being heard. Every securitization company or reconstruction company shall obtain prior approval of the Reserve Bank of India, whereby the decision of the apex bank will be final. Thank